Often when one of my grandmother's recipes say to use a cheesecloth, I can use one of these nut milk bags instead. So these things are really clever. They've got this metal ring. To open it up, they come sealed, obviously. And this ring is designed so that it's sort of like a funnel, sort of like a strainer mixed together. And it's a heavy-duty stainless steel, easy to clean. You've got this zipper. You open up the zipper, you set it into the, or around the frame here, and then you just zipper it back up. And it's that simple. And what this does is it makes it so much easier than, like they say, those old recipes would have asked you to double up some cheesecloth, and now you're trying to keep your cheesecloth from unraveling. Now you've got this nice bag. It's essentially about the same mesh as fine cheesecloth, but you've got nice hemmed edges. It's about 8.5 by 10, and you've got a couple of bags in here. You can wash these, reuse them, and because they go onto the rim like this, so easy. Hope this helps.